everyone, I'm Sarah. Welcome to today's video. If you're looking for a simple, healthy, and delicious dinner idea, you're in for a treat. In this episode, we're sharing an easy recipe for a classic Italian soup that's bursting with flavor and perfect for any evening. It's hearty, wholesome, and so quick to prepare. Let's dive in and create something delicious together.
Hi there, I'm, Jack. Just your average guy who somehow stumbled into loving Italian cooking. Today, we're making Italian Escarole Soup. Don't worry, I had to Google escarole too. First, we'll need some olive oil. Extra virgin, because we're fancy like that. Now let's chop an onion. Pro tip, wear swimming goggles to avoid crying. I'm only half joking. Garlic next. 2 cloves, or 10 if you're trying to ward off vampires. Carrots and celery. It's like making a tiny vegetable army. Add tomatoes. Fresh or canned, no judgment here. Pour in the broth. This is where the magic happens, folks. Beans time. I like to pretend I'm Jack from the beanstalk. Now for the star of the show, escarole. It's like lettuce's sophisticated cousin. Pasta goes in. I'm using ditalini because it sounds like a tiny Italian dance. Season with salt and pepper. Be generous, but not too generous. We're not trying to pickle ourselves. And now we wait. This is usually when I question all my life choices. You know, my grandma used to make a soup like this. She'd say, "Jack, cooking is love made edible." Oh wow, it actually smells amazing. Maybe I didn't mess up after all. Time for a taste test. Moment of truth. Holy cannoli! It's delicious. I, Jack the Kitchen Disaster, made something edible. Serve it up with some Parmesan on top. Congratulations, we're basically Italian grandmothers now. Who knew making soup could be so super? Sorry, couldn't resist. Thanks for cooking with me. Remember, if I can do this, anyone can. Buon appetito!
Afsan Farm, we believe in the power of good food and its impact on our well-being. Our mission is to present you with mouth-watering recipes that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also nourish your body and soul. We're all about promoting a healthy lifestyle through the magic of cooking, and we can't wait to share our culinary adventures with you.
Al tramonto, sapore di felicità, risotto fumante, calore nella città, gelato d'estate, rinfresca il palato, profumo di basilico, l'olfatto è incantato. Spaghetti alle vongole, mare nel piatto, ravioli caserecci, fatti contatto, tagliere di formaggi, è l'ora dell'aperitivo, un sorso di prosecco, brindiamo al motivo. Il gusto italiano, una festa per l'anima, dalla cucina di nonna alla strada viva.
Smells is wonderful, tastes great.
Una storia narrata nel cuore di Roma o in una piazza affollata. Tiramisù d'allogno, dolce poesia, caprese fresca come una sinfonia, arancini dorati, croccanti al morso, panino col prosciutto, l'appetito rincorso. Lasagna al forno.